Have you been struggling with dry, dull, lifeless hair? Have you been searching for a promising solution? No worries, I have a wonderful recommendation for you. Here's the tip. After a good shampoo and moisturizing conditioning treatment, work a daily dose of hair cream into your roots and ends. This cream may be used on wet or dry hair. Use about a teaspoon of cream, emulsify it in your hands, then massage it through your tresses from roots to tips. A word of caution, avoid the scalp and always do a patch test with new products. Remember, your scalp has its own oil production. Overloading it with other products can lead to drier hair and an itchier scalp. With regular use of this cream, you'll notice your hair becoming more hydrated, silkier, and easier to manage, whether it's natural or relaxed. The nourishing potion? It's called Nairobi Daily Hair Dressing. I am a licensed professional hairstylist who's seen great results with this cream. Give it a shot and drop your reviews in the comments. You'll find a link to Nairobi Daily Hair Dressing below. Here's to making every day a fabulous hair day. If you found this video helpful, show some love by liking, subscribing, and turning on those notifications. Thank you.